So this is the white, like what I said, white temple. So we will go back now. So before we go back, we just go around this temple. This is the back of the temple. You see? Yeah, this is the back. Yung ano niya medyo ano, and so actually there are so many temples here, but I need to walk very far. This is the only I can walk for now. Okay, so see, this is it. Yeah, that's the road, the main road. Okay, so in the main road you can see this white temple. Okay, let's go to another temple beside only the white temple. Actually, I